In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through how to speed up a video in Canva quickly and confidently, with a few tips to make sure your final export looks and sounds the way you expect. Start by opening Canva and loading the design that already contains your video. It's best to work on a stable internet connection so your changes preview smoothly. Once the design is open on your canvas, make sure you can see your video on the page or in the timeline. Click directly on the video clip you want to speed up. You should see a selection outline around the clip, and in the timeline, you'll notice that only this clip is highlighted. Speed changes apply to the selected clip, not the entire project. So if your design has multiple clips, you'll repeat this on each one you want to adjust. This helps you keep narration or key moments at normal speed while accelerating only the parts that need it. Next, open the speed controls. Look to the top toolbar and click Playback. Depending on your version of Canva, you might find these controls in the video panel on the left instead. Interfaces update from time to time, so if you don't see Playback right away, look for a tab or icon labeled Playback or Speed. Once you're there, you'll find the speed option with a slider. Drag the slider to set your preferred speed. Common choices are 1.5x for a snappier pace that remains very readable, 2x to cut the duration in half while keeping movement smooth, or 3x for fast highlights, time lapses, or B-roll. Keep in mind that higher speeds can make on-screen text harder to follow, so match the speed to your content. Also note that speeding up a clip affects its audio. If the clip has spoken words, a moderate increase like 1.25x or 1.5x often preserves clarity better than extreme speeds. Press play to preview the result. Watch the entire clip so you can catch any abrupt motion or transitions that feel too quick. If needed, pause and nudge the slider until the pacing feels right. Use the spacebar to start and stop playback quickly, and check that the timing still matches your overall design and any on-screen graphics. When you're happy, export your video. Click Share, choose Download, and select MP4 as the file type. Pick the resolution that fits your needs. Higher resolutions look sharper but create larger files. And then click Download. Rendering time depends on your video's length and chosen settings. That's it, your sped up video is ready to share.